This video is for Nova Online Math 161 final exam review, and the topic we're looking at is solving exponential equation. Solve the equation, write the solution set with exact values given in terms of natural or common logarithms. Also, give approximate solutions to 4 decimal places necessary. So the equation that we're solving is 5 times e to the 2x minus 5th power plus 5 equals 45. We're going to start by isolating the exponential term. And first thing that we notice is that we have this plus 5 to get rid of. So let's subtract 5 from both sides. When you subtract 5 from both sides, on the left side, we still have 5 times e to the 2x minus 5 power. And this adding 5 and subtracting 5 cancels out. And on the right side, 45 minus 5 will give us 40. Next, we're going to divide both sides by 5 to cancel out that multiplication of 5. Divide both sides by 5. This 5 in front of e will cancel out. And now our exponential term, e to the 2x minus 5, is finally isolated. And that equals 8 on the right side. Now, to solve this exponential equation, we will take natural log of both sides. So watch, we'll move this a little bit to the side. I will take ln, natural log, of both sides. When you take natural log or common log, the exponent, this power of 2x minus 5, will come down to the front. So I'm going to draw an arrow indicating this is now going down to the front. And this is what we're going to have. We're going to put that 2x minus 5 in a parenthesis. And I was going to write down this natural log of e next to it, but notice this is just 1. Natural log of e is, this is just 1. So I was about to multiply my binomial by 1, and when you multiply something by 1, it doesn't really change its value, right? So, well, it's not canceling out, but its effect, okay, of multiplying by 1 doesn't really change anything. So the left-hand side is just this. So anytime you guys see ln e, natural log of e, that's just 1, so we can just kind of cross it out, okay? Now let's look at the right side. We have equals natural log of 8. All right, now let's solve this for x. Now I'm realizing I really don't need this parenthesis anymore, so let me erase these two, okay? So now we have 2x minus 5 equals natural log of 5. I'm going to add 5 to both sides, plus 5 plus 5. So we have 2x equals natural log of 8. Ooh. But now I don't want someone to accidentally add these two and make it 13. So let me put 8 in a parenthesis, okay? Natural log of 8, and then I will put the plus 5 after it, okay? Another way of doing this is to put the 5 in front of natural log of 8 like this. Like we could have written it as 5 plus natural log of 8. As long as you're not adding that 8 and 5 together, that's going to be okay. Now, final step, let us divide both sides by 2. And that's it. We finally solved for x. So let's write the final answer. X equals a fraction that has natural log of 8 plus 5 as a numerator and 2 as a denominator. So I'm going to circle this, but I remember they also wanted us to write the answer in decimal approximation. So we're going to type that into a scientific calculator, okay? So over here, I'll type fraction bar, ln 8, natural log of 8, plus 5 divided by 2. Let me check the rounding rule one more time. This question is asking us to round to 4 decimal places. Okay, so let me highlight 4 decimal places over here. 5, 3, 9, 7. So I got 5, 3, 9, 7, 4 numbers after the decimal. So that's going to be our answer, 3.5397. So for your final exam, make sure to give both the exact form. And what we mean by exact form is this, what we typed into the calculator, okay? This is the exact form. And the decimal approximation will be what you get from typing that into the scientific calculator.